relax, we are all aboard.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom with a stop at Frontierland along the way. Sit tight. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, sooner or later, you'll be back.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
For an old conductor like me, there's no better place to ride the rails than Magic Kingdom. By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. There has travel from Charlotte Hills to the USA, unpaid jungle in Africa, Asia, and South America. Imagine anything is possible, and we're heading straight to the heart of Adventureland. It gets pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Jack Sparrow. He's hiding out among those scurrilous pirates in the Caribbean. Whether you're boarding a boat from the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, visit Adventureland will bring an extra dose of bravery. We've reached the wild west of the Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. This outpost is home to covered wagons, cowpokes, and country bears. And we've got our own mountain range of exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain down into the fire patch. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone. So sit tight until we come to a complete stop. If you disembark here, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before you unfold them. That'll help make room for the new passengers joining us. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we approach the station, folks, for your safety, please remain fully seated until the string construct of police staff and you receive a no clear to disembark the train. Once again, folks, please remain fully seated until the string construct of police staff and you receive a no clear to disembark the train. Almost there, folks. Remain seated, please. Remain seated, guys. Remain seated. Not quite there yet. Remain seated for me, please. We're all clear. Welcome to Frontierland Station. Please watch your step when exiting. If